I would absolutely recommend the ASU Core Research Facilities to any other company that's looking to advance their research and their technology.
They also have excellent staff members who can collaborate and cooperate at a very high level. And this makes it very easy to go and get your project up to speed in case you're starting off.
Any startup company that's doing work in the semiconductor field should use the facilities that are available to them.